All right, we're going to do a little experiment to see what happens to a drone inside of an elevator. So I'm going to bring the drone up and hover it in the middle of the room, and then I'm going to send the elevator down. We're on level 3, we're going to send it down to level 2. So let's bring it up. There it is. Now I'm going to press 2. And what happens? It immediately goes to the ceiling, and I cannot get it to come down. And now we're going to go up to level 3. See if it comes back down. I won't touch the controller. Up, and it went back to the same level. Very interesting.